All right, this is our last one for Area and Perimeter Advanced. I'm going to try to read it quickly and then just get down to where we matters. To be quite honest with you, I'm just going to skip right down here because this is what matters. The diameter of a circle is 12 feet, so that means all the way across is 12. The whole thing is 12. What is the area of the interior of the circle not covered by the triangle? Round to the nearest whole number. So that means you're going to have to find the area of that circle, then subtract the area of that triangle. When you have shapes that are next to each other, you're going to add them. But when you've got overlapping shapes, you're always going to subtract that smaller shape from the larger one. Okay? So I'm going to start by finding the area of my entire circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared. And we're going to go to the next line and we're going to figure out what r is. We know that the diameter is 12. So if we divide by 2, our radius would be 6. So right away we know that our circle is 113 feet squared. Now we're going to come over here and clear it. And we're going to find the area of our triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. So we're going to have to figure out what our base and our height is because we know that the entire diameter is 12. So this over here would be the radius, which would be half of it 6, and so would that. So our base and our height are both 6. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there, which means we've got 18. So we're going to go ahead and clear that. We've got the area of the entire circle is 113. And then we're going to subtract the area of that triangle, which is 18. And we end up with 95 units squared. Okay? So again, when you've got two shapes overlapping, you subtract big one minus small one. All right? So let's see what we have on the next one. This one, we've got 4 circles on a canvas. Each one has a radius of 6 inches. And then it says the shaded area of Martha's design will be painted black. What's the closest to the area that will be painted black? So let's look at the picture here. I want to make sure that we have it to know exactly what she's looking at. It looks like to me that the whole canvas is a square. It says it's a square. All right, so we're going to have to find the area of a square, which is length times width. Then we're going to have to find the area of circle, but we actually need 4 of them, but we're going to start with 1. Well, to find the length and the width of this square may look difficult, but if you know that's 6, then you know this is 6, right? This other radius. And then you know this other diameter over here is also 6 and 6. So if you add them all up, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, you get 24. So that means this is 24. If you did the same thing going the other direction, that side is also 24. That's why being told that it was a square was very important. So you've got 24 times 24 is going to be the area of your circle. We'll go ahead and do that just so that we have the number. So 24 times 24, excuse me, the area of your square is 576 inches squared. So now we're going to find the area of one of those circles. We're going to have to find all of them in a second, but first we're going to do one. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. And we're told what the radius is, so that makes it pretty easy. Radius is 6. So we know the area of each one of those circles is 113 inches squared. But we want 4 of them. So I'm going to put a 4 times pi r squared. So now I know all of the circles together all 4 of the circles together have an area of 452. So if I want to find the difference, just the black part, I'm going to take the area of my entire square, which is 576, and I'm going to subtract the area of all 4 of my circles put together. So that leaves me with 124 inches squared that need to be painted black. Okay? Again, that's a tough one, but you can do it. If you have any questions about it at all, please just come and see either me or Miss Benson. We'd be happy to help you. That looks like it for today.